Hello! Welcome to our Christmas workshop. Gift. Yes, George, we are making gifts. Handmade gifts are the best. It will be fun. Let's put our love into the presents. Time to start crafting. Idea number 1. Photo frame ornaments. Find a photo. Now we decorate it. Glitter and beads. It's a special tree decoration. Let's go! We are making hot chocolate kits.
Drop it in hot milk. Yummy chocolate. We made little tags, too.
I am making kindness rocks, smooth stones with happy pictures. Give them to a friend to make them smile. A small gift with a big, kind message.
Such good ideas. So many gifts to make. Now we add a final touch. A pretty ribbon and a handwritten tag. That makes it extra special.
Move aside. Wrapping expert coming through. Wrapping is hard work.
It's okay, Daddy. We know you tried. George, who gets your gift? Mommy. My chocolate is for Grandma.
My rocks are for anyone who needs joy.
Oh no, glitter mess.
Don't worry, Danny. Crafting is messy. We can fix it. Or just add more glitter. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just be creative. We keep our paints and glue neat, too. Teamwork makes the gifts fast and fun. Look at our beautiful work.
Ta-da! All our handmade Christmas gifts are ready.
My photo ornament is for Mommy and Daddy. Grandma's hot chocolate kit.
My kindness rocks are ready to go.
Handmade gifts mean lots of love. We hope you make DIY gifts too. It shows how much you care.
Homemade presents are always the most special.
And they come from the heart.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Merry Christmas, everyone. Merry Christmas, everyone.